Hey, what's going on? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today is a golden place where you can hire people to get traffic to your site. It's some real true experts over here where you can order all kinds of services. It's kind of like a Fiverr marketplace and some of the other outsourcing marketplaces where you can pay people to get traffic to your site. They got all kind of services. They got SEO services. I mean, they got a lot of different ways. You got people that do backlinks for you. You know, they just got everything you can possibly think. Uh, I mean, it's just crazy. And they got even people who just get traffic. They got traffic software. This place, they got everything. People that get you traffic from Twitter. They just got it. They just got so much over here. If you interested, you could just be on this site all day because yeah, they got people that write articles for you. This is a real true marketplace with a lot of different services. You can get people to get you YouTube subscribers. Man, it's just so much over here that you just can't believe it. You can just keep going through the different pages. I mean, I just you can get people to get YouTube views, YouTube subscribers. It's just, people just get direct traffic to your site. The view in music, get 350,000 plays, $2. Not only is the service is good, and the people, also the people is ethical over here, and the price is so affordable. You can get people to get you followers on Twitter, and people make flyers for you. It's just off the chart. People do keyword research. It's just people do guest posts. I could just go on and on. I'm not finna go through all of this, but my point is that I'm trying to make this is a golden place to get a lot of outsourcing done with a lot of ethical people who got reasonable, affordable prices. So I'm gonna put a link. This is my account right here, as you can see. I'm gonna put a link to this, and I'm also put a link to my blog, and y'all get over there, sign up for free at this website, and whenever you're ready, you just put your money in, and you just pay for your services, and the provider might ask for you to send something or whatever. It's real easy. And like I say, set up your account for free. I'm gonna put my link below, link to the blog. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell. And SEO Clerks is where it's at. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.